Entonces, estamos por empezar el proceso de trasplante de las estacas del AeroGarden. We're about to start the process of transplanting some of these cuttings. So for now, split a lot of this because there are too many in one thing, as you can see. And we're gonna do our best to keep them all alive. Vamos a hacer nuestro mejor esfuerzo para mantenerlas vivitas. For now, we're focusing on a dandelion, arugula, and lettuce. Por ahora nos vamos a enfocar en la lechuga, diente de león y rúcula. So what we have to do basically is we're just gonna leave one individual per pod for the AeroGarden. Vamos a dejar un individuo para el AeroGarden, so we're gonna try to remove them. Not like that, because I just cut this one, see? And if we can't, we can't. That's it. Maybe I can just do this and cut this in half. Vamos a cortar esto en la mitad. Right there. Yeah. And then I have the two individuals. We're gonna also wash this because it has some algae. Vamos a lavarlo porque tiene algas. So we're gonna put this one back in here. Right there. So that one's ready to go back in the AeroGarden. We're gonna keep the little one for our project and the big one with the huge root. See how long is this root now? So we're keeping this for the AeroGarden. This is a romaine lettuce, lechuga romana. Okay. Something like that. There. Está listo para ir de vuelta. And now the last one, la última ahora, the arugula. So we're gonna put this back in the AeroGarden and I'll be right back. And we're also gonna grab some of this, at least this one that is still alive. Arugula, another arugula que todavía está viva, una rúcula. So just to keep them moisturized, para mantenerlas húmedas, we're gonna add a little bit of water in here. Vamos a añadir un poco de agua. And now we're gonna start working on this. This is a container that I bought at the dollar store. $3, as you can see there, $3.50 Canadian. 9 liters. Contenedor de 9 litros. So I'm gonna try to have 2 plants in here. So my idea is to have one net here, one net there. Una rejilla acá y una acá. Root to grow. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Now we're about to see how good is this plastic. Vamos a ver ahora qué tan bueno es el plástico este. Let's hope it doesn't crack. Ojalá que no este tríce. Yep. So now we can. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's not the best. We can still save it. Yeah. By just doing this, I guess. Yeah, that's good. I mean, we have to fix this. Tenemos que arreglar la tapa. But what we did is good. The hole we did is good. So now, how do we do this one? Just need to make the hole, but okay, how do I do it without? Maybe here. Would this work? See if it fits. Yeah, so that's what matters, that the nets fit. Entraron justo ahí. The only thing is that I broke it. But now we can just patch it. Lo vamos a parchar. And it doesn't matter if you put duct tape on it or whatever, because this is supposed to be covered anyway for the light. No importa cómo vamos a pegar esto, porque esto tiene que estar de todas maneras cubierto para que no le entre luz. Doesn't matter. Something like that. We can reinforce it later. Let's see if it still works. Yep, they still work. Yeah, they work pretty good. Actually, I'm just gonna put a little bit more around it. A little bit too loose. Voy a poner un poquitito más alrededor aquí, porque la rejilla entra como demasiado suelta. Okay, that's good, and that's good. Okay, so basically now, I'm just gonna prepare one. Voy a preparar una, and then I'll work with the other one and probably show the end result. Y voy a trabajar con la otra y mostrar el resultado final. We're gonna use rock wool. Vamos a usar lana de roca. We open it, la abrimos. That. So we grab one rúcula, o one arugula, una de las plantitas de rúcula que tomé de la que estaba en tierra. And we do this, you try to get the root through there. Like that. Yeah, like that is enough. Now we put it in there. And we add clay pebbles. Yeah, pelotitas de arcilla. We're good here. So we're just gonna add nutrients. Vamos a añadir nutrientes en esta. 3.8 liters, 3.8 litros, and we can see where did it reach? Almost to the top, so we need a little bit more. Necesitamos un poquitito más. We're just gonna top it up with water. Vamos a rellenar con agua. I'll show it right here. Yeah, that's enough. They're touching the water, están tocando el agua, so now we're gonna put it aside. And now we're gonna make the other one, and I'll show you when I'm done with it. Vamos a hacer el otro y les muestro cuando vuelva. Okay, so I finished the second tray, and I didn't break this one, and I already poured the liquid. So now I'm gonna show you how to cover it or protect it from the light. Ahora te voy a mostrar cómo cubrirla de la luz to stop the algae growth, right? You get an old shirt, you know, something that you don't wear anymore, something that doesn't fit you. Agarras una polera vieja or some fabric, whatever. You should get creative here. Aquí es cuando tienes que ponerte más creativo. Actually, gonna move this to the side a little bit. We just put the shirt like this. So you open the shirt, and then you make it fit in here. Then you do this, pull it, la tiras lo más que pueda. You're gonna lift this and try to put this on the holes. Yeah, tratas de que esto entre ahí en los hoyos. Because it doesn't matter if this get wet actually. Also, it'll give it more support. También le va a dar más, va a quedar más firme. Well, like that. Then, yeah, basically you have to play with it. Tienes que ingeniártelas aquí para ver, to see how you do it to get it all covered. See, like that. Same here. And there you go. You have it covered on the top and on the sides. And of course the bottom doesn't matter, right? And there you go. And then you just need to check it, right? You lift it and you check for the levels of nutrients. Después lo levanta y revisa el nivel de nutrientes. But that's it, pretty simple. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more of this. Like it, comment, share, whatever. Ojalá que les haya gustado el video. Suscríbanse, comenten, likeen, hagan todo lo que quieran. Okay, see you later. Thank you. Bye, nos vemos. Chao.